The definition to amniocentesis means sampling of amniotic fluid using hollow needle insert into the uterus to screen for developmental abnormalities in a fetus. There is no prefix for amniocentesis. The root combining form and definition is amnio, which means amnion. The sub definition is centius, which means surgical procedure. The definition to clitorichism is failure of one of both testicles to descend into the scrotum. There is no prefix to clitorichism. The root word combining form vowel is crito, which means hidden. The sub definition is isham, which means condition, state, or theory. Cystitis means inflammation of the urinary bladder. It is often caused by infection and is usually accompanied by frequent painful urination. There is no prefix in root combining form vowel for cystitis. The sub definition is itis, which means inflammation. The definition to hydronephrosis means excessive accumulation of urine in the renal pelvis as a result of obstruction of the ureter. The prefix and definition is hydro, which means water. The root form combining form vowel means hydro, which means water. The sub definition is osis, which means condition, state, or disease. The definition to hysterectomy means a surgical operation to remove all parts of the uterus. There is no prefix or root combining form vowel for hysterectomy. The sub definition is ectomy, which means surgical removal. The definition to mastectomy means surgical operation to remove a breast. There is no prefix to mastectomy. The root form and combining form vowel is masto, which means breast. The sub definition is ectomy, which means surgical removal. The definition to meatus means opening or tunnel through any part of the body, such as the external opening of the urethra. There is no prefix for meatus. The root word combining form vowel is meta, which means opening meatus. The sub definition is us, which means condition, structure. The definition to polyuria means excessive urination. The prefix is poly, which means many, much. The root word combining form vowel is polio, which means many or multiple. The sub definition is urea, which means urine. The definition to renal means relating to the kidneys. There is no prefix to renal. The root word combining form vowel is reno, which means kidney. The sub definition is al, which means pertaining to. The abbreviation for BPH stands for benign prostatic hyperplasia, and it also stands for benign prostatic hypertrophy. The abbreviation for OBGYN stands for obstetrics and gynecology. The abbreviation for PSA stands for prostate-specific antigen. The abbreviation for UTI stands for urinary tract infection. The abbreviation for WBC stands for white blood cell. Describe the difference between peritoneal dialysis and hemodialysis. Peritoneal dialysis involves introducing fluid into the abdomen through the catheter. Hemodialysis involves passing blood through an artificial kidney filtering out impurities.